So let's come from Halasana to Paschimottanasana. Okay yogis, so this is a nice fun transition, and let me walk you through this transition, and I will tell you where you'll feel challenged and how you can overcome those obstacles. So we start with Plough, Halasana, and always come into Halasana Plough after some warm-up. I did my warm-up before, so now from here you just hold your big toes and then start this transition. Just roll up. Now yogis, here, this is the point where most of you will feel stuck, and to go forward from here, all you have to do is engage your core and pelvic floor. So more you engage core and pelvic floor, you will be able to lift yourself up and land here. Now the challenge which you will face from here, if your core and pelvic floor is strong enough, then after engaging them you can lift yourself up. But if they are not strong enough today, then you have to work on your core and pelvic floor strength, and I will make separate videos for that. Some beautiful vinyasas which will strengthen the core and pelvic floor muscles. But for today, what you can do, you can use the momentum. So instead of using your core and pelvic floor strength, you can use the momentum. Go back slightly, go forward, go back, and using this momentum, you can land here. That's how you come into Paschimottanasana. Now, the second thing obstacle which happens here is injuring your heels. So many yogis, they end up hurting the heels. So to avoid hurting the heels, what you have to do is very simple thing. You have to just keep your knees locked, knees absolutely locked, and toes flexed in. And if you can look from here, this is the normal position of the leg when it's lying down on the mat, and moment you lock your knees and toes in, your heels will remain up. So no matter what happens, if this is the position of your leg and toes are flexed in, you will always land up on your calf muscles. Your heels will never touch the ground or mat. So it's a very safe position to land on the mat. So keeping your knees locked, toes in. Let's do one more exercise to make sure that we are doing it right. So just keep your hands here, take both your legs up, toes flexed in, knees absolutely locked, and see. Now see, you can literally bounce off your calf muscles here. Heels are up, they're not touching the ground. So using the same principle, we are gonna come from Plough to Paschimottanasana. And this time when we come down, if you're doing it for the first time yogis, I will suggest that you do it on a mat or keep a folded towel. Not a cushion, because cushion will be too thick. Just a folded towel should be good. And on a mat, just to really get rid of this psychological fear. And from here, if you keep your knees absolutely locked and toes in, believe me, there's no chance you will ever land up on your heels. But still there's a psychological fear, and sometimes your knees get soft here, and when your knees get soft here, then you will hurt your heels. So just as a precaution, initially keep a folded towel and a mat. Try with that and be confident. Keep your knees locked, toes in. Trust me, you will not hurt your heels. And give it a try, and after some time you can get rid of the towel and even mat also. Give it a try yogis, and let me know in the comments how it worked out for you. Namaste.